How to clear Twitter or X cache storage on iPhone or Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys on clearing the Twitter cache and storage on your iPhone or Android. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your settings on your phone. Scroll all the way down and go to apps if you're using the Android phone. But if you're on iPhone, you can go to Settings app, then go to General, and then go to iPhone Storage and find the Twitter application over there. Let's do the same in Android as well. Now, once you find it, scroll down and tap on Storage on Android, and then tap on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the data, but it will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding this. Come back. Try first stopping this application and re-enable it again. But if you're using iPhone, you need to go ahead and open the settings and privacy over there. Then go to the accessibility, display, and languages tab, followed by data usage. And under storage, you will see the media storage and web storage. The media storage is for saved photos, videos, and GIFs from your Twitter timeline. And web storage is for Twitter web content like web pages, cookies, cache, saved logins, and other web data. The amount of storage you free up depends on how often you use the app and your settings, such as the data saver. Simply tap on Clear Media Storage and Clear Web Storage, and this will clear the cache and storage on your iPhone. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.